You know it, you love it. We call it Ask the Judge. And Judge Courtney Arkeen, State District Judge, Orange County, joins us to talk about it. Good to see you again.
Great. Thanks for having me.
We bring you in for all the toughies.
That's right.
The tricky questions out there that you viewers have for us, we give them all to Judge Arkeen. And among those, this one, I'm considering going into rehab. I want my kids to be with family when I do this, but I do not want them to be able to use this as an excuse to seek custody of my kids. I want to go to rehab because I love my kids. What can I do so this is not held against me in a court of law?
You know, Kevin, I get this question often, so I was happy to answer it. First and foremost, children deserve healthy and sober parents. And so the best thing you can do is check yourself into rehab yesterday, get healthy, and be the parent that they deserve. Will it be used against you? Having a substance abuse issue go on untreated and not trying to help yourself would go against you far worse than trying to get help for yourself without having to be court ordered. As a judge, we have to determine your sincerity. Are you sincerely wanting to go to rehab or just get out of going to jail for some criminal case?
And if you're voluntarily walking
and if you
in for recovery,
go,
then
it shows you want help.
Yeah.
Place your children with loving and good relatives. Get the help that you deserve and that you need so that you can be a great parent.
And maybe tell the parents, if that's how it works out, I will be back soon.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that. Get the help you need.
I like it. Thanks very much on that one. Secondly, I want to give my son a gift certificate for his birthday. His mother last year cashed in the gift certificate and spent the money on drugs. I mentioned his birthday when I had him last week and found out he never got the gift last year. If I give my son a gift, does she, as the mother, have the right to take it? And if not, what can I do to make sure my son gets the gift?
No, she does not have the right to take it. Gifts to children are their property.
Yeah.
My question actually is, I don't understand his method. If you want to give a child a gift, my suggestion would be take the child shopping, find out what they like, give them an actual gift at your home and keep it at your home.
Then the mother has no
interaction with that child to be able to take the gift. It's your gift to that child. My next question, though, is why are you not seeking custody? This goes back to the first question. If you know that a parent is using drugs and selling the children's gifts to get them.
Good question, and good answer. And the last question today, my wife and I are going through a divorce. Is there a cap on how much she can get for child support if she gets the kids?
Yes, there is. Child support is figured 20% of your net resources for one child, 25% for 2 children, 30% for 3 children. And then if you have one child in one home and then you have a child in another home that you're obligated to pay support on both of those, that percentage gets dropped down to 17.5%. So you could have 2 children that you're paying 35% on because you're paying 17.5 to 2 different mothers.
Oh, yes,
The cap is $8,550 in net resources. So if you do 20% of that, it ends up being $1,710 on one child is the most that you would pay, unless the court determines that there are extenuating circumstances like disabilities and things like that. But typically, it's going to be capped at 20% for one child, max net resources of $8,550.
Wow. Okay, so there's a guy out there breathing a sigh of relief, at least right now. So there are caps, at least. A question you get a lot, but it's good to always go back over those sometimes.
Because that number can change, but this is the number since 2013.
Thank you so much, my friend.
You're
we appreciate
welcome.
it very much. If you have questions for our Ask the Judge segment, fill out our form at 12newsnow.com/askthejudge. We're back in a moment.